Hello student, we will continue chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variable, exercise 3.2 of class 10th. Statement is on your screen. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width, whose length is 4 meter more than its width. One statement comes from this line and is 36. Half of the perimeter is 36. Find the dimension of the garden. Let we take length of rectangular garden. X meter, and we will take breadth of rectangular garden, that is y meter. According to question, half of 1/2 of perimeter 2 into length plus breadth is 36. Cut. Length is x, breadth is y equals to 36. Now we express x in the term of y to get solution of the equation. Equation 1. From equation 1, x equals to 36 minus y. Now make a box. By putting the value of y, we get x. If we put value of y is 10, 36 minus 10 makes 26. If we put y 16, then 36 minus 16 makes 20. If we put y 20, then it makes x 16. These three coordinates are the solution of this line. Now the second line, length is 4 meter more than its width. Here width is y, length is x, then x is 4 more than y. Equation number second, which already in the term of y. Now make a box. X, y, by putting the value of y, we get x. You can write here, by putting the value of y, we get x. Put y as 10. 10 plus 4 makes 14. Put y 16. 16 plus 4 makes 20. Put y 20. 20 plus 4 makes 24. These three coordinates are the solution of this line. Now we plot these two boxes on the graph and the common solution is your answer. Is here any common solution in both equations? Yes, we have. That is 20 and 16. One more things we know, from 2 point one line can pass, but from our safe side we will find here 3 coordinates of each line. Now I am going to plot scale, take a graph. Graph is on your screen. X-axis, here it is. Y-axis, where these two lines meet, the point is called origin, denoted by 0. Write down here X, Y, take a proper gap of 5, 5. Mark. Same on y-axis. Now we plot these points. X 26, Y 10. 26. After 25, how many boxes? 2 boxes. X 25, Y 10. Simple, you put a dot and circle 26, 10. Then X 20, Y 16. See? 20, 16. Now X 16, Y 20. 16, 20. Here, now we join 3 dots, and we know that when we join the points, join the dots, it always shows a single straight line, and the line name is X plus Y equals to 36. Now the next point, 14, 10. These two equations we plot on the same graph. 14, 10, dot and circle. 20, 16, common point. Next, 24, 20. Dot and circle. Write down the coordinates. Now join. See, coordinates are in a straight line. That is the common point. Common point is the solution of the equation. Common points. That means length is 20 meter. Breadth is 16 meter. That is your answer. Now the next question is sum number 6. Statement is on your screen. Read it. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines. For first, intersecting lines, condition is we know that a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. For it, given equation, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Then answer is, we have to take that type of equation which satisfy this equation. So I am taking here 2x same, 4y minus 8 equals to 0. Here so many line can it be. इस तरह के बहुत से आंसर हो सकते हैं. आप अपनी समझ से कोई भी लाइन ले सकते हैं जो इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करता हो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट is part second, parallel lines. Which line? Parallel line. Condition for parallel line. Condition for parallel lines, that is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. Here given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Then another equation which satisfies this condition is 2x plus 3y, same constant term, let I will take minus 17 equal to 0. Here also so many line it can be. बहुत सारी lines हो सकती हैं. Part third, coincident lines. Condition for coincident lines, that is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Your answer is, let me take it double. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16. Sign will remain same. When we solve these two according to condition, we got coincident lines. These type of equations can be so many. आप अपनी समझ से कोई और इक्वेशन भी लिख सकते हैं. Now the next is sum number 7. Draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Equation 1, equation 2, that is on your screen. From equation 1, x equals to what will be plus y minus 1. X equals to y minus 1. By putting the value of y, we get x. Write down. By putting the value of y, we get x. Make a box. Write down here x, then y. If y is 0, 0 minus 1 makes minus 1. If y 1, 1 minus 1 makes 0. If y 3, 3 minus 1 makes 2. Now from equation second. From equation second, I am expressing it in the term of x. Equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Then 3x plus 2y equals to 12. After it, 2y is equals to 12 minus 3x. Then y. 2 कहाँ आ जाएगा? In the denominator. By putting the value of x, we get y. Write down. By putting the value of x, we get y. Now we will make another box for equation second. X, y. Minimum 3 solution we will find here. Put x equals to 0. Here the second box. When x is 0, then y is 6. How? You can do that work in rough. Put x 0, then y is 6. 3 into 0, 0. 12 में से 0 गया 12. 12 by 2 makes 6. Next we put y. 12 minus 3 into 2. It makes 12 minus 6, 6. 6 by 2 makes 3. Similarly, if we put x equals to 4. 3 4 ja 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 2 makes 0. Now we plot these two boxes on the graph. Graph is on your screen. Let me draw it by help of scale using pen. See, x-axis, y-axis, marking where these two lines, the point is called origin. Take a proper gap of 1 unit. Highest value is 6. That's why we will go up to 6. Next, on the y-axis, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now plotting. Here x minus 1, y 0. It will be to the left side of the 0. Increase it. Here the point is minus 1, comma 0. Next is x 0, y 1. X 0, y 1. X 2, y 3. Now join. See, single straight line. Write the name x equals to y minus 1. Now the next points, x 0, y 6. x2, y3 common point. x4, y0 on the x-axis. Dot, encircle and the coordinate. Join. That is your graph. It says shade the triangular region with the x-axis. Shade it. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a nice day.